Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the factory reset now. First, back up documents and browser data so you don't lose anything important. Once done, plug into AC power and close apps. This prevents shutdowns mid-reset. Make sure you have your Windows sign-in and any BitLocker recovery key available so you can unlock drives after reset. Now, press Start, type Reset this PC, and open the recovery settings. This launches the built-in reset wizard, so you don't need external. Now you choose how to reset and why each option matters. If you want a true factory state, pick Remove Everything. This clears accounts and apps. If you need to preserve documents, choose Keep My Files, but that may leave settings behind. Next, decide Cloud Download for a fresh image if your local files are corrupt, or Local Reinstall for faster restore. Finally, opt to clean the drive if you're selling the laptop. That securely wipes data versus a quick format. Finish the reset by confirming your selections and pressing Reset. The laptop will restart and perform the process automatically. Once it completes, go through Windows Setup, sign in, and run Windows Update plus HP Support Assistant to restore drivers and firmware. If the reset stalls or fails, reboot to BIOS and run HP Hardware Diagnostics. If that shows drive errors, create an HP recovery USB on another PC and reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.